So this is room A23 in the iSanook hotel in Bangkok. This is a eco studio room. It was only available in twin bed format on Expedia when we booked, but I think there is a king also available. So there's a desk and chair, small balcony. Both beds have power outlets by the side and a reading light. There's a TV and some good shelving. The safe is located in between the beds. You've got remote control for the air conditioning and the TV remote control. Tea and coffee making facilities and a full-size fridge. And 2 large wardrobes with some decent hanging space. And there you'll find pool towels and the hairdryer. And then behind you is the shower room. So a good sized shower with shampoo and body wash. Toilet, sink and a good sized mirror. And you've got power outlets there as well. The room divider is a window, but it does have a blind for privacy. Overall, we've had a really comfortable night's sleep and would really recommend this hotel. So the breakfast buffet is served until 10:30 a.m. every day. We were really impressed with the selection. There's some hot Asian dishes, as well as more traditional Western style breakfast items like eggs and sausage. There was even some dim sum here, which was surprisingly good, as well as your usual breakfast items, continental style meats, cheeses, toast, and also a really good selection of salad items as well. So if you're looking for healthier options, they even had those well thought through. Tea, coffee and a good range of fruit juices were available, as well as a good selection of teas. Now, one of the best things about the iSanook is that it offers free TukTuk rides to 5 different locations. It was really easy to sign up for this. There's a sheet on the reception desk, so just add your name and the location against which time slot you want to go. The gym is quite small, but it has a good range of equipment in here: treadmill, static bike, free weights, as well as a weighted machine as well. The only thing you need to be aware of in here is that you need your room key in order to activate the lights and the air conditioning, so don't forget to take it with you. Just outside the gym is a jacuzzi. We didn't use this, but a few people did. There's also a shared kitchen, which is quite an unusual facility for a hotel like this, but it does give you the option to do your own meals if you wanted to cater for yourself while staying here. So there's a fridge to put items in, as well as things like cutlery, plates, pots and pans, hot plate and a microwave. Now, on the same level as the shared kitchen, on the 6th floor of building B, is this large chill out area on the rooftop, which is great if you want to take your own drinks up there and just chill out for a little bit. We actually did this during sunset on one of the days, and the views were incredible off the roof, so I highly recommend that. On the ground floor of building C, you'll find the laundry facilities. There's 2 washing machines, one's 30 baht and the larger one is 40 baht, as well as 3 dryers. And we made use of these and they worked really, really well. It's a great option if you're travelling for an extended period of time like we were. On the ground floor of building C, you'll find the infinity pool. This is a really large pool with loungers at either end, and there's also shower facilities there. Overall, it's really hard to imagine a better value hotel in Bangkok. If you enjoyed this review, then please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because I vlogged our time in Bangkok. The videos will show you the best things to do, eat and drink in the city.